So the first step is to remove the tips from the aubergines and then cut them in half. And then slice them in half, and then you want to cut them like thick batten. And then we're doing some ginger slices. Keep the skin on because you want that flavour in your stir fry. So for the garlic, you crush it with your hands until they're like slightly crushed, and then just peel it off. And then the spring onion in the segments. And chopped chili. So you want 10 milliliters of dark soy sauce, another 10 milliliters of light soy sauce, and then 10 grams of hoisin sauce. Mix well. So the key thing for doing stir fries is to get everything ready. We call it mise en place. So here we've got a bowl of the aubergines, and then sliced ginger and the garlic, and we've got the spring onions. And we're gonna use the seasoned Carbon Steel Wok because it hasn't got any coating, so it's perfect for stir fries where we can whack up the heat so you can get that smoky flavour in the dish. You want to start like with the highest heat, so you can kind of see it's starting to smoke and it's ready to go. Add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil to make sure it's thoroughly coated in bottom. We're gonna fry the aubergines first until they're golden brown. Add them in batches. So keep tossing until they're like golden brown. You want to remove them from the wok. So once you remove the aubergines, you should have a clean wok because it doesn't stick. And just add like a bit of oil. Give it a swirl. In this stage, you add the ginger and garlic first. You kind of want a golden crust on the ginger and garlic because that's where the flavour will start infusing into the oil. Just keep stirring. Now you can start to smell the ginger. You know it's ready. You want to keep it high heat at all times. And at this stage you want to add the spring onion. So once you see the spring onions start to char, add the aubergine. Smelling really good already. Keep tossing. So at this stage you can add the sauce. Start by adding to the side. Cook it for around, I'd say, 1 minute. And then add your chili. Bit of salt. Give it a toss. And then you're done. So this is a very signature Chinese dish with aubergines. So you grab 1 or 2 pieces and then have with 1 bite of rice and then just have it.